How does a pipe dream of owning lakefront property turn into a pipe nightmare? When you find out later, critical infrastructure is buried right under where you want to build. A Garland County couple says they are out thousands after clearing land they bought only to get stopped by county regulators. Tonight, THV 11's investigative reporter, Tanya Motorzitsky, digs into this dispute with the local government.
What Michelle and Rob Richens thought would be another property in their portfolio has instead become the center of a dispute over what's buried underground.
We kind of did our research, had a survey done. We had no easements, no restrictions.
The couple says they purchased the vacant double lot property in 2020 and spent nearly 6 figures clearing trees, moving dirt, and preparing to build. Then earlier this year, everything came to an abrupt stop.
We did all of this beautiful dirt work and we got a verbal stop work order.
That's when they say they learned a 40-inch drainage culvert and a city sewer line run beneath the property.
We didn't know that there was a 48-inch drainage pipe that runs from a ditch under Majestic Lodge and all the way through the property. And we didn't know about the sewer septic main that runs perpendicular over the 48-inch pipe. So we literally are blocked.
Michelle says they were told to stop work and warned they could be held financially responsible for any damage to the underground infrastructure.
I didn't know these infrastructures exist. That was through the stop work order. They told us, they came on property and said they didn't recommend that we build.
Wanting answers?
And to date, I have not gotten a response.
But I did get a response from the city of Hot Springs. The city manager confirms a sewer line approved by the city board of directors and built in the 80s runs under the property, adding it was transferred to the city for maintenance and that no easement has been located. The couple filed FOIA requests seeking easements, engineering drawings, work orders, and installation records connected to the pipe. I requested the same documents from Garland County and was referred to the FOIA responses already provided to Michelle. Those records show no easement for the pipe and indicate it was installed so long ago that no one remembers when. In April, a letter to the couple from County Judge Daryl Mahoney writes the culverts are not owned, maintained, or controlled by the county and says responsibility rests solely with them as the property owners. The letter also states the dirt work they began has already caused deformation of the culverts. In May, a letter from County Attorney John Howard says officials show no record of installing the pipe and know of no easements, but did replace the culverts in 2017 as a courtesy to a previous property owner.
The county admits that they put this pipe in, but they say that they put it in as a, quote, courtesy to the previous owner. I'm not real sure when government money was just nilly-willy and you can just, as a kind gesture, give away thousands and thousands of dollars to a private homeowner, private landowner with county money.
Rob, a contractor himself, says the situation doesn't add up.
If it's coming from underneath the street and going underneath a city sewer, it would be considered infrastructure from county and city, and they both had to have been involved.
I also asked Garland County about ownership of the culvert, missing records, and whether a stop work order was ever issued. The county declined to comment. Tanya Motorzitsky, THV 11 investigates.